that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Yo.
Okay, guys, I want to do a nice little brief walkthrough for my apartment. So, welcome in. Don't mind all the stuff everywhere because I am currently gonna start decorating. So, I've already got all my stuff. I've only been in Atlanta for 3 days. 3 days. But anyways, so here is the front door. They updated everything. It's just like white and gray. So when you first walk in this area, I'm thinking just doing like a small some where you put your shoes and then like a key thing here. I'm gonna do a fully furnished video, but here is a nice little closet area here where you would just walk in and put a little items in there. Oh, I like how the door sounds. Alrighty, and then here is our living room. So small and simple for one gal like me. And then here is the nice little overview looking out. I'm gonna get some good lighting there. And of course, I'm gonna set up like my TV and all that good stuff here. Boop, boop. So as you guys can see, I have already just done a lot of taking stuff and buying a whole lot. But here we're gonna do maybe like some chairs in this little area here. And then this area is pretty little small area, but maybe I could still do like a little dining area, maybe like some tables and chairs. So I'm gonna go in this corner so you guys can see the like view. Right? Love it. So here is the kitchen. Everything's up to date. White cabinets, black appliances. Love it. Love it. Got a nice refrigerator. I've already started filling it up, so I'm not gonna spoil the views. We're gonna definitely do a tutorial. Here we have a lovely washer. And also sink. And look guys, check this out. They got me this. Look. Oh my god. Bang bang. So lit. And I love these lights up here. Like spotlights to kind of like highlight what's going on. I love that. There you know, 73, 72 is smart to keep in your room temperature. Here is my lovely room. Yes, I have a ceiling fan. I have stuff everywhere, guys. Don't mind me. So I do have a patio. I don't know how to open this yet, so we're just gonna look out this way. And then here I'm thinking about doing like my vanity. And then all this space is like so like nice and lit. And then here is the bathroom area. Let's focus. Yeah, we'll focus. Yeah. So here is Santa Maria. I love it, I love it. I haven't done anything, guys, yet. But they did newly renovate everything. The flooring, toilet. Nice and cute and simple, nothing too major. And then, of course, every girl best, biggest dream. Beautiful walk-in closet. walk-in closet. Terminate zone. So this is actually perfect because I have a thousand clothes. I was just like, how would I hang this up, like right here on this part? Is it strong enough? It is. I can just hang it right here. Put stuff up here. A couple little storage little areas. I absolutely love it. Period. Don't mind this little chair. I haven't got anything as far as my couch or anything yet. I've only been here for 3 days, so everything's just rolling on in, my mattress and everything else. Thank you guys for walking through with me. Make sure you guys subscribe and tap that notification button. Yeah, make sure you do that. And I'm gonna do a fully furnished video. I'm not showing my face because I look crunchy. So yeah.